Of the press. My name is Zaheer Jhanda, Member of Parliament, Nyaribari Chache constituency, Kisii County. I am here calling you. I am here calling upon you guys to discuss a matter that is of national importance, and this is about drugs. The drugs menace has become a disaster in our nation. As you can see, as you are aware, nowadays we can find all sorts of drugs all over the place. Including clubs everywhere. If you want cocaine, you will go somewhere and it will actually be delivered by a boda to you. So this is a menace that is affecting marriages, that is affecting our education system of our young children, and absolutely ruining marriages. You know, the cases of divorce based on these drugs is actually on a very high rate. So I want to particularly single out on about 2 or 3 things. Number one is the issue is the use of vape and shisha. I have proposed an amendment in the National Assembly whereby we will criminalize the use of shisha. Anybody found smoking shisha, in possession of shisha, or anyone found vaping or in possession of vaping, selling at any outlet, you are no different from any other person that will be found selling cocaine, brown sugar, or heroin. This is very necessary to secure the young generation of our nation. If as a legislator, I do not come up with a plan, with a bill that is going to stop this madness, then we are going to lose our children. This is not acceptable. You heard what His Excellency the President talked about just the other day during an iftar dinner about the shisha. It is not about a community. It is about the whole country. So I want to suggest an amendment in the draft about vape. Vape is become a nightmare in a lot of parents' life, because nowadays unapata vape inauzwa kwa mashule ambayo imechanganywa na madawa, watoto wanavuta, wanakuwa washenzi na wapumbavu. You know, this is so wrong. Na hata you've seen His Excellency the Deputy President has been fighting mambo ya drug abuse. You know, it is sad when you see a young man anakwenda huko kwa kijiji, anakunywa cheap liquor, analewa, anakuja kwake nyumbani, badala ya kulala kwa kitanda na bibi yake, anaenda kulala chini ya kitanda peke yake na mapanya. You know, it is wrong, and that's why I have proposed this, and I can assure you that anything that is poisonous to this country, that is poisonous to our generation and to our country, the government will not accept. As a leader, as a member of parliament, I am coming up with this bill to ensure that we stop this nonsense and we stop this madness. I know it might be unpopular, but I don't care, because we have to save a generation. Someone must speak about it. Someone must go out of their way as a leader to come up with a comprehensive master plan of how to stop our young children getting ruined with this kind of drugs. So with those few remarks, I want to also tell those people who are selling, especially in clubs, you know, you are selling poison. And we are going to have a number, a hotline, where anyone who is found selling, even in a club, you call, use WhatsApp a photo or a video and a location of that place, and the government will swiftly swing into action and ensure that club is closed and you will not be allowed to operate, and your license will be cancelled for a period of at least 2 years.